Hey everyone, hello, it is Penny, and today I wanted to share you about Penny's paste. And I had some questions about of what I use for like a do-it-yourself gesso or something like that. So I have Elmer's, this is school glue, but usually I use glue all. So we're going to see how this works. I do have a cup because I can't find a bowl with the lid, so the cup will have to do. I do have some acrylic paint, white paint. So this is some rubbing alcohol. It's 80 proof alcohol. I do have some baking soda, and I have our stirring stick. So I really don't measure. I really do not measure. Let me move the camera. I really do not measure when I make this, because I only make a little bit at a time that I need to use for like a week or so. It will keep in your refrigerator, but basically, you know, I'm just using up to use it, to use it all up. So I'm going to start with the glue, because this is basically all the glue and all the baking soda that I have. So I'm going to see if I can actually go about telling you. I don't know how much is in here. We're just going to do about a cup. Of glue. Okay, so that's about a cup of glue, is what I'm going to say. Okay, that was half that, so it's about a cup. It is up to right there. Say about a cup, maybe. I'm going to put now. You don't have to put the white acrylic paint. You can absolutely put the white acrylic matte medium, which is transparent. Let's do that up, and that is pretty thick right now. So I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol in there, rubbing alcohol. Because it is, see how still runny that is? That's too runny. So that's where the baking soda is going to come in at. It's what gives the grit. Probably half a cup. You just kind of have to play with it to see what you like. See how now that is thick. Is it thick enough? No, it's not. I will tell you that sometimes if you use pit pens, like felt tip pens and pit pens, that the baking soda can tend, like gesso can, tend to dry out. So if you don't want to add the baking soda for texture, so it won't dry out your pens, you can try adding some matte medium. So I'm going to pick a page. Okay, so I like this. This is totally fine. This I don't like though. So I have a silicone brush which I can easily wash off. This is a makeup brush. See how it stays on? See that? See how it stays on? That's how you want it, okay? Now, of course, you can rough this up. Okay, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll put the recipe in the video and down below. Have a wonderful day, everyone.